Got benefit car show going on today. We come over here early, kind of early. Help him get set up. Michael's right here is the man, doesn't he? This fella right here is the one that got it all together. This boy right here. He done it all.
Hard work and help right here.
He done it all right here.
And the one behind the camera too.
It's all for Kinsley.
Spin it around for you.
Every bit of it.
No, they've all seen me enough.
We're all here. Hope we have a big turnout. He's got a big old parking lot up here. Thank you, Belks.
Exactly. Belks and all the help, all the sponsors.
A little bit GAY, but he's toting it anyway because he's tough. Can't believe it's so cool with that bike.
The ultimate skull.
Don't worry, be happy. There it is.
You're just jealous.
Huh? Brought to you by Sonic.
I was wanting to do that with black and purple flame. Got some ghost flame. Gives me a good truck.
Spit on the rake first. There you go.
I'd like a spit shine.
You missed a couple of spots.
That's a killer right there. Gina is driving the nose. See that?
Cheeks! Oh my God, she's got cheeks. She's a real baby. She's a real baby.
Getting biscuits, man, the same line.
Hey, Birdie. Oh, beauty. Crap.
Go ahead, we're putting on YouTube tonight. Go ahead. If you want to, I'll film it. Say what's going on.
I think it is a good turnout.
They're doing pretty good.
And the band's awesome.
The music will pull some more people in.
Yeah, they will. They're doing pretty good over there on the tickets.
Oh, they're good, good.
I think they do good food too. They a lot of people order food.
That's awesome. This band's killer too.
Sound pretty
They
good.
do, don't they?
Yeah.
There you are. Okay, I'm gonna get it.
As long as I can get a dozen shirts, well, it's a go. They're $10.50 from small to extra large.
Going once. 15. We have sold Paula Dean's Ooey Gooey cake for $15. Yay! 12.50.
Come on, Matt.
15. 20. We got 20. 20.50. 20.50. 20.50 once.
So we got more? I go $1. 25.
25. 25 for Mom's German chocolate cake. 25.50. Sold for $25.
Yeah.
He got a mom cake. Colors 10 already.
20.
11.
20.
20. 20 for Paula Dean Ooey Gooey. 21. 25.
I didn't get the first one.
26 $26 for Ooey Gooey cake. 26.
About
25. Is it going 25? 25 once.
Hey, you got it.
I'm not that good at this.
countdown now here. I'm getting official count look. Here we go. Count my look.
Yeah, the engine, what happened to it?
We was talking about that.
Yeah, it went through it.
We was talking about that.
You would have never convinced me that I could drive that piece of metal through that door steel.
Yeah, because them things was well built.
Well, it did. I mean, there's a...
Start going away.
Well, looks like cleared some people out.
It's not raining anymore.
David K.
No, dude, I go. Let's go, Dave. Yeah.
Page, number 12, Norman Caffey.
Oh, you're all right.
See you.
You're good. Hey, be careful. Looks like the rain's getting out here and ain't gonna do nothing.
It'll be fine.
We'll see Papa in just a minute.
What got best paint? Which one got best paint? Did it? Yeah.
Best interior, number 12, Norman Caffey. Best interior.
What's that glass make, Mark? I'm juggling.
Third place of show,
Number 41, Rich and Carolyn Mashburn. Number 41, third place, Benson Church.
What's going on in this car? What are you doing in Bob's car?
I'm stealing it.
Does he know you're driving? Does he know you're driving? Bob, she's driving your car.
I went to burnout.
Burnout contest. You okay with that, Bob? Be careful.
Bye.
There goes your car, Bob.